Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Colab notebook and enabling the accelerator. This gives you the GPU or TPU needed for AI experiments. Once done, pip install PyTorch or TensorFlow and any helper libs so your environment matches your code. Make sure to mount Google Drive to persist datasets and checkpoints. This prevents loss when the session times out. You'll also set a clear file structure in Drive to keep data, models, and logs organized before running heavy cells. Next, you prepare data pipelines and run your model training loop. First, load data efficiently, stream from Drive, use GDown for large public files or the uploader for quick tests. Then implement batching, shuffling, and augmentations so memory stays stable. This avoids OOM errors. During training, enable mixed precision and gradient accumulation to accelerate epochs and conserve resources. Make sure checkpoints are written to Drive frequently. This lets you resume training after disconnections without losing progress. Finally, validate and export your trained model, saving weights and a reproducible inference script to Drive. Once exported, test inference on a small sample in the same notebook, then share the notebook or push code to GitHub with a requirements list and runtime settings. Make sure logs and checkpoints are archived. If something goes wrong, first restart the runtime, confirm the GPU/TPU is active, and inspect pip package versions and disk usage, resolving package conflicts or freeing space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.